Exercise 9.1, question number 3. A contractor plans to install the two slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefer to have a slide whose top is at the height of the 1.5 meter and inclined at the angle of 30 degree to the ground, whereas for the elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of slide in each case? क्वेश्चन क्या है? एक कॉन्ट्रैक्टर प्लान्स टू इंस्टॉल द टू स्लाइड्स. एक कॉन्ट्रैक्टर जो है टू स्लाइड को इंस्टॉल करना चाहता है बच्चों के लिए पार्क में खेलने के लिए. फॉर द चिल्ड्रन बिलो द एज ऑफ 5 ईयर्स, 5 साल के नीचे के बच्चों के लिए सी प्रेफर्स टू हैव ए स्लाइड, वो ऐसी स्लाइड ऑप्ट कर रहा है जिसका टॉप की हाइट जो है वो है 1.5 मीटर और इसमें जो एंगल बन रहा है वो है 30 डिग्री. वेयर एज फॉर द एल्डर चिल्ड्रन के लिए वो एक स्लाइड बनाना चाहता है जिसकी हाइट 3 मीटर है और जिसमें एंगल 60 डिग्री का बन रहा है. तो दोनों स्लाइड की लेंथ फाइंड आउट करनी है. लेट अस सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. Solution to this question. Slide for the children below the age of 5 years height of slide that is 1.5 meter. Let length of the slide is L1. Let the name of right angle be ABC. Here L1 is the length of slide AC equal to L1. BC is the BC equal to 1.5 meter with the height of slide in this case angle is 30 degree. Angle of elevation is 30 degree. Now in right angle triangle ABC VC upon AC equal to sine 30 degree. BC that is 1.5 meter and AC that is L1 equal to the value of sine 30 degree that is equal to 1 by 2 sine 30 degree that is 1 by 2. After cross multiplication we have L1 equal to 3 meter. Length of the first slide equal to 3 meter. Now we can write further. Slide for the elder children let the length of slide be L2. In this case angle is 60 degree and height that is 3 meter. Here L2, here AC equal to L2 with the height of the slide. BC equal to 3 meter with the height of slide. Angle of elevation that is equal to 60 degree. In right angle triangle ABC, VC upon AC that is equal to sine 60 degree. What's the BC? AC is 3 meter and AC that is L2 equal to sine 60 degree. That is the value of sine 60 degree, that is equal to square root of 3 upon 2. We have square root of 3, L2 equal to 6, L2 equal to 6 upon square root of 3. Now we make the rationalization of the square root of 3, that is square root of 3 upon square root of 3. We have 6 square root of 3 upon 3, L2 equal to 2 square root of 3. The length of slide L2 equal to 2 square root of 3 meter. That is our answer.